Stop scrolling if you've been thinking about upsizing or downsizing. This market is for you. If you're waiting for the perfect time to buy your next home, here's the truth. The perfect time is right now. Hi, I'm Jaci Tidmarsh with PMZ Real Estate, and here's why today's market is full of opportunities. Inventory is increasing, giving you more options to find a home that fits your needs. Starting your search now means avoiding the rush of the spring market when choices may narrow. Worried about the resources to make a move? Many homeowners have equity to leverage, an average of $315,000 according to CoreLogic. That's a powerful tool to help you move into a home that fits your lifestyle, whether you're downsizing, upsizing, or just ready for a change. Don't let hesitation hold you back. The combination of today's market conditions and your equity makes this the perfect time to sell your home and find your ideal next one. Not sure where to start? My free virtual seller seminar has everything you need to sell faster, safer, and for more money. From maximizing your equity to navigating the next steps, I'll guide you every step of the process. Comment seller to get started. I'm Jaci Tidmarsh with PMZ Real Estate, and as always, I'm ready to help you make your next move.